Welcome to the channel, guys. I appreciate you coming by and checking this out. I have a really quick one for today. I ran into an issue with Premiere Pro. I know it's 2021 and they still have issues, but it's neither here nor there. So if you're anything like me, you go by Waveform. Okay, if you're gonna cut to the beat or somebody says something, you wanna cut that off right in the valley, you know, just before they get the next sentence out. But sometimes you lose those waveforms and there's really no explanation why that happens. But fortunately, there's an easy fix for it. So let's go over to here and I'll show you how to fix it. Okay, here's a project I was working on here. And as you can see, we have the waveforms on this selection right here, but not here. They've disappeared. It lost association with the peak files. So in this case, you know, even though it's not attached to this video clip up here, it's still attached to the lower audio clips here. Sometimes it is attached to the video, but good rule of thumb, just right click, unlink, so you're not affecting any other clips. Just have that one selected, hit clip, render and replace. Boom. Now you got your waveforms back. That's all there is to it. So I hope this video brought some value to you. If it did, please hit the like button down below. It does make a difference. And if you want to see more videos in the future like this, we will have a bunch. So I'll try to keep them under 2 minutes. But go ahead and hit the subscribe button, hit the bell to be notified for any future videos, and we will see you in the near future.